Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video of this little box that I made. Anybody could make this, but nothing special. I just thought that I would show you. I thought it was pretty neat. We have I guess it's an 8 by 5.5 by 1.5 ABS box that you can get at Mouse or somewhere like that. And I put inside of this a digital amp meter. Okay, and when I bought this amp meter on eBay, it required an isolation, DC isolation unit, because it doesn't work with common ground. So although the amp meter was only about $15, the isolated ground was about $10, and then it requires a resistive shunt, which is inside the box also, which costs about $14. So watch out when you buy these digital amp meters on eBay. You never know what you're going to get. Sometimes they won't work unless you have everything, unless you purchase additional items. So we have the digital amp meter. Also here I have a kill switch on and off for the unit. There's a resettable circuit breaker, 30 amp circuit breaker. Inside I also have an actual 40 amp continuous current relay. It's not one of those cheap 30, 40 relays that you can get on eBay that burn out sometimes at 20 amps. This thing is actually rated for 40 amps. And here we have just quick connectors for the inputs. Here you would have a ground. I don't have them marked yet, but here you would have a ground. You'd have a switched 12-volt input for the system on and off. And here you'd have the main power coming in for the hydrogen generator or whatever else you wanted to control, and the main power going out. This power would go out to the generator, and then you'd ground the generator. So all you'd have to do is hook this box up, connect it somewhere in the engine compartment. You just need a ground, a switch 12 volt, and your main power coming in and out, and that's it. Boom, done. You have your amp meter, switch, and circuit breaker, relay. Everything's encased in one box, and you could just make a bracket for this, or just wire tie it or something right to your firewall or somewhere where it's not going to get soaking wet. I mean, it is sealed, but you don't want it to get drenched. And that's it. For those of you doing a lot of installs, something like this is a good idea for you guys to make it quick and easy, or quicker. You know, it's better than trying to find a place to put the relay, find a place to put the circuit breaker or fuse, find a place to put the amp meter. So that's all. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.